Hi guys, I hope that you feel good today. So we will cook a very easy meal, really easy and fast, because I know that sometimes you don't have time to cook. So today we will cook pasta. We like pasta with mushroom and chicken and cream. Very easy. So in first, you need chicken, mushroom, pasta, and I have some Italian spice. Yeah, spice. If you don't have, I will say what I have in the recipe. No. Like you see, I'm not the perfect woman in English, but it's okay, you understand. Okay, so we will start by the chicken. So, of course, you need to watch this. Okay. So you keep the good parts. It's good. So you will cut my cat. Sorry. Maybe you will see my cat. I don't have too much time to make a cooking video, I'm sorry. I dance a lot, but I will try to make more video, I promise. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so personally, I like to cook the chicken in my air fryer. I don't know if it's the same in English. And I will cook my mushroom here. It's better because I like when the chicken is very cooking. You see what I mean? Okay, so I will show you. I will cook this for 20 minutes in the air fryer. So you use a lot of spice, okay? It smells very good. A lot. Like this, okay? I don't know if you see. And now in the air fryer. Okay, so that's my chicken. So I will cook this for 20 minutes. And not too much. Okay, so now we will cut the mushroom. Oh, I forget to prepare the water. Perfect. Oh. I like mushrooms, so I will use all the legumes. Okay, it's good. I don't know where is the olive oil, so I will show you. And here, same thing, you use a lot of spice, okay? Okay, so now you can reduce and add the cream. So you wait that the chicken cook, okay? Personally, I like to add a little spice again. After 20 minutes, I will add, I think, water a little. Oh, it's okay. You wait 5 minutes and it's done.